Hi, it's your good old beach buddy, Boogeyman. I'm back. Well, I'm back front and both sides, too. Last time we enjoyed the wind, water, sunshine, and sand of Hawaii. Today, we're 4,000 miles east, taking a spring break at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Come join us as we go for a walk wearing boots on the beach. Some prefer bare feet. I admit there's something intimate about feeling her skin next to mine, with a layer of cool sand in between. But ooh, the biting grip of a woman's boot tread, pushing down on all the right places, plus the look of domination. Please do tread on me, loosen my muscles, free myself from stiffness, and let me feel invigorated all over. Let's get started. Once again, I'm laying on my back, face up. I turn my toes outward so she can dig her heels into my heels. Moving on up, she digs her boots into my thighs. There she'll bounce a little, getting more aggressive the farther up she goes. She'll be careful not to damage any sensitive area here, I hope. Although a part of me, admittedly, is hoping she'll slip. I enjoy her weight on my hips, even from the front. You will too if you suffer from lower back pain like I do. I'll ask her to stomp a bit, 1 foot at a time. Don't worry, she's got good intentions, I think. Our next challenge is my stomach, also known as Mount Rushmore, but in this case, the face is a sad smiley face inserted here. Do you think her bouncing will help me lose weight? The most requested spot on me to get stepped on comes next. I guess you could say I've got the perfect face for trampling. Like pretzels? Hope so, because I'm going to do my best to twist like one, with a little help from my walker, of course. She really puts her heart, heels, and muster into it, and you know how well pretzels go with muster. For some side impact, my walker will step up onto my hip. No airbags here, just love handles. I'll extend my arm in a 9-degree angle with my hand flat on the ground. I'll ask her to move all the way out to my elbow, where she'll do a little dance for me. Now back to torture the shoulder, just a little. I asked my walker if she'd like to neck with me. Next time, I'll be a little more precise. With all her weight, she'll bounce until she thinks I've endured enough. Then I'll turn and offer up the other cheek. For an extra measure, my walker takes a stroll down to the water's edge to get her boots wet. That way the sand sticks to them better. Once again, my walker starts at my feet. Next, she moves to the back of my legs. Really helps blood circulation. Don't believe me? Ask your doctor. Ever hear the expression, get off my butt? I won't be saying that here. I love my butt and lower back walked on, bounced, and pounced on. moving up in the world of walking on me at least, she'll put her focus now on my upper torso. I hope she steps up her aggression even more so. Next, I get to shoulder all her weight, but I've got 2 of them. Anyone else want to join the fun? walker if she knew where I could get a good facial. I need to explain myself a little better. No facials I know of can squeeze out the pimples like this. With all the sand, it's an exfoliating experience. Giving new meaning to hands and feet mobility, my walker shows no mercy to my knuckles. Stomp hard enough to bury them in the sand. My walker once again returns to my feet. She didn't pounce on my peds quite enough, and I agree. To mark the end of my beach trampling experience, my walker backs up onto my legs folded backwards to my butt. This final leg stretching helps me stand up after all her torture. Although I'd much rather just lay there until the Atlantic tide comes in. Just so you know, accidents can and do happen. Always be prepared to accept the occasional misstep. Until next time, this is Boogeyman saying, keep walking.